Hello and welcome to the channel, and today we're gonna highlight LEGO Ideas product idea, the Clock Tower Art Gallery. So creator is Mandrake and it's a fresh new build. So contains 6 minifigures and lots to check out and look at. And let's see what we have over here. So the ground floor, the first floor, and the roofing. The build itself is quite nice, built on a 32 by 32 base plate, and here we have the clock. I kinda like these kind of details, the gargoyles, the pigeon. There is so much details on the front facade of the build. Windows as well, with a tree over here, and some flowers. So in the back we have this entrance, and here you can bring your paintings, things that you wanna exhibit in the gallery. So we have a security guard, we have a painter over here, a visitor, a cleaner woman, and two restorer minifigures. So minifigures, nothing all the way too fancy, but still quite nice. And here we have the exhibits in the gallery. I do like this in gold. That's quite nice one. And here is the office to restore paintings and things like that. So restoration atelier. And I do like these type of windows. So this quite nice. Even the lamp over here. Air conditioning. This should be some lamp or microscope. And some toolings, some pictures over here. Yeah, microscope over here. This is a lamp. And they're working overtime, as you can see over here. Here's the cleaner, another clock, these stairs that lead up, security guard, another air conditioning over here. Yeah, all in all, quite an interesting build. So I will put the link in the description so you can both support. I did already support it. It's only 921, but still just fresh. So as you can see, 2 days ago. Yeah, link in the description. Check out, vote for it. And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. And see you next one. So till next one, see you.